Hey guys, Epic Blaze back again with another epic unboxing video. This unboxing is of the first battle set from Zero G. And I got this for my birthday, and I will first show you the box. It comes with Samurai Ifrit with special colors and Guardian Revisor also with special colors, and a Zero G attack type stadium, 2 compact launchers and a little booklet. So here is the side. The back shows all the stats and synchro mode right here. The side explains all the parts of Samurai Ifrit. And now I will open the box. So here is the stadium. And Samurai Ifrit. And Guardian Revisor. Here is Guardian Revisor with special colors. It comes with a black stone face, a normal silver metal wheel, revisor, the crystal wheel Guardian, and the track and the tip. This is wait, I'm gonna look for what it is. This is 160 spike ball, I think. So now I will put Guardian Revisor together. So here is Guardian Revisor fully assembled. I will just put this to the side and open Samurai Ifrit. A golden Zero G compact launcher. Wing 145 and circle flat. And here is Samurai Ifrit. So I'll now show you the parts. It comes with a golden face bolt, a normal silver chrome wheel, Ifrit, crystal wheel Samurai, yellow color, wing 145, and circle flat. So I will now put Samurai Ifrit together. So here's Samurai Ifrit. I will just put it aside and I will now open the stadium. Comes with cool stickers, are shiny, it's cool. and very straight ripcords and the little booklet. Stadium is bigger than I thought, and so now I'll put it together. So here is the Zero G Attack Type Stadium. And now I will open the ripcords and the stickers. Very straight. And I will now put on the stickers. Now with the stickers on, the base look really cool. I really like the colors of this bay. And I will do a test launch with them. After that I'll show you the booklet. So on the front you can see Dark Knight, the Rune and Samurai Ifrit, and Zero and Sekio. And here it just shows some information. And here it shows all the beasts that the base own. That's pretty cool. But now I will do a test launch. So I'm pretty excited because I never really did a battle or something in the Zero G Stadium. So test launch for Samurai Ifrit. It's pretty cool. So that was the test launch for Samurai Ifrit. Now I will do the test launch for Guardian Revisor. It's pretty cool. So battle's coming soon. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and I'll see you next time.